Humbleness is a basic thing. If you are humble, then you can learn much even without a wise man. You can learn from trees, springs, cloud, wind. If you are humble enough, the whole existence can become teacher to you. Hello everybody, this is Naval in front of you. Today my topic is always stay humble. I would like to connect you with the story so that you can connect yourself how the humbleness can change our lives. There was a king. He called his courts with the wise men, all the wise men who was residing in his kingdom. He said angrily that you all are wise men in my country, in my kingdom, but the people of the kingdom always say that I am not wise enough that you are. What is the matter? Why I am not becoming so wise? Even you have so much knowledge than me. A young boy who came with one of the wise men laughed. The king said, don't you know what is how to respect a king? He said, the Lord, I'm respecting you, but I know why did you not learn those wise people? So the king said, can you teach me anything? The little boy said, yes, I can teach you a lot. I can teach you at least one thing in my life. The king sees the politeness or the ignorance on his eyes, and he was saying ancientness on his eyes, that he has lot of experience in his past. So he said to that little boy, can you teach me one single thing in my life? So the little boy said, I will teach you one thing, but you need to follow me step by step what I say. The king said, okay, I'm ready to learn from you. The little boy said, you need to come down to at my place, and I will go to your place, and I will sit on your throne. So the king was ready to learn and uh, and just wanted to learn from him. So what he did, he came out from that throne and came at his place and said, the little boy uh, went to the throne and sat on that king's throne. So he said, now you are at my place and you need to ask me, you need to learn from me as a disciple, not as a master. You need to request from me that I just want to learn something from you. So then only you will be able to learn from me. You need to surrender on me so that I can teach you something. So on that point, the king realized that this is the thing which I was missing from my life. So from that day, he became so polite, so humble in his life, and he became so polite for his kingdom, and wanted to ready his life or his wanted to his life surrender to those wise men so that he can learn from those wise men. So we can say that we can learn from everybody, even we do not know the wise people in our premises or in our surrounding, in our environment, but we can learn from other things also. Thank you so much.